90% of developers fail. And it's not because they can't code. They get stuck in the same 5 traps that kill momentum. I'm a Web3 dev, but these traps destroy front-end devs, back-end devs, AI devs, everyone. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact mistakes to avoid and the concrete roadmap to put you in the top 10%. If you want real progress, listen up. Mistake number 1, learning everything, mastering nothing. See, most developers start like a blockchain explorer, jumping from one chain to another. Today it's Python, tomorrow it's Solidity, next week it's React, AI, Rust, whatever's trending. But here's the thing, you can't deploy skills that aren't finalized. Top developers, just like a good smart contract, focus on one protocol until it's secure. Choose one tech stack and master it. Example, if you're into the front end, go deep into React or Next.js before touching the back end. If you're in Web3, pick Solidity and Foundry or Hardhat and live there for a few months, because depth beats speed every single time. Mistake number 2, copy pasting without understanding. This is the most dangerous bug, copy paste coding. Learning to code without building is like holding the key, but never unlocking your own future. Or it's like deploying a contract you didn't even audit. Sure, it compiles, but when something breaks, you have no idea why. The top 10% devs understand every line they use. They test, modify, and experiment. So next time you grab code from GitHub or Stack Overflow, stop, read, and ask yourself, what exactly is happening here? You don't need to memorize everything, just understand the logic. That's how you debug faster than ChatGPT. Mistake number 3, only consuming, never building. A huge mistake, watching tutorials endlessly. You feel productive, but you're not compiling any real experience. Like memorizing every rule, but never playing the game where experience makes you grow. Nothing becomes real until it's on-chain. Build something, anything. A to-do app, a mini API, a portfolio, or a testnet NFT project. It doesn't matter how small, what matters is you ship it. Every bug you face while building teaches more than 10 tutorials combined. Mistake number 4, no portfolio or public proof. Even if you're coding great stuff, if it's locked on your laptop, no one will ever know. In blockchain, we say, if it's not on-chain, it doesn't exist. Same rule applies to you. Show your work. Upload to GitHub. Write clean readmes. Make short demo videos. Post them on LinkedIn or Twitter. Let people see what you're building. One public project can change your entire career. That's literally how people get freelance work, jobs, or collaborations. Mistake number 5, chasing hype, ignoring fundamentals. Now this one hurts. Developers love chasing trends. One week it's AI, next week Web3, then data science, then game dev. But hype fades. Fundamentals stay. The best devs don't chase trends. They chase understanding. They study algorithms, data structures, security, and clean architecture. If you know how to design logic, you can learn any new tech in days. If you only chase tools, you'll restart every few months. Alright, so how do you become the 10% who actually make it? Number 1, most important, pick one stack and master it for 3 months, no switching. Number 2, don't just watch tutorials. Build 3 projects, even small ones, but make them work properly. Number 3 is don't just copy-paste code from anyone or anywhere. Read your own code like a smart contract auditor. Fix inefficiencies. Number 4, really important, showcase publicly on GitHub or portfolio on socials anywhere. Number 5, keep improving fundamentals, security, data flow, logic. Trust me, just follow this simple framework and you'll grow faster than most people who've been coding for years. So yeah, this message was for every coder out there, but explained in Web3 language, because that's my language. If this hit you, comment below, I'll be in the 10%. Like, subscribe, and share this with that one dev friend who's stuck in tutorial hell. See you in the next one, and remember, don't just learn, deploy.